Hello, and welcome to another update video on DOT. I'm here on the Polkadot 4-hour time frame, and we are still holding our support area that we discussed in previous updates here between $3.30 and $3.75. Micro support is still holding, and the structure itself is, of course, still a very messy one. The nearest micro resistance is here around $4.12. Getting above it might send us higher, first of all, towards $4.90, then $5.40. These would be the next key resistance levels above, especially this green line above or around $5.40, which ideally in Q4 will be broken. I'm not sure if we're going to make it in September, probably not, so it might be at some point in October or November. Q4 at some point, would suggest that we should see a good altcoin performance, and even though DOT is not the strongest chart, it might also follow the crowd in Q4, because we're still holding support, and as long as we're holding this zone between $3.30 and $3.75, the focus would be on higher prices. I currently consider here a 1-2 setup, where the B wave of the wave 2 topped around the 18th of September. A lot of cryptos formed local tops on that day, and now a C wave to the downside is unfolding, and we are dealing here with an A, B, C structure. And this C wave, to the downside should be a 5-wave move. It might easily get another low. There's currently no real evidence that a meaningful low has formed. And also, the way to track targets for the C wave in this wave 2 correction is to, take the length of the A wave, and then the length of the C wave should be the same. So A equals C, and that's at $3.58, the 100% extension. We're not there yet. Do we have to get there? No, it's just more important that the bulls show up before we break below that key support level, the 78.6 retracement, right? Therefore, I don't trust it yet that the low is in, because, as I said, we haven't reached a 100% extension, and also there hasn't really been any break above resistances, and also no 100% extension level reached, and also no 5-wave move up, actually. So getting a micro 5-wave move up from one of the lows in this region would be helpful to indicate that wave 3 to the upside has started here, and I will follow the yellow count, which is basically indicating that this is a C wave up of a wave 2 corrective rally. Could be something more bullish that needs to prove itself, but we can't even move away from support at the moment. So it's not a strong chart overall. Remember that the performance in this cycle is so far really underwhelming. Not unexpected. I don't find this a very bullish chart anyway, you know that. But still, of course, some of you are holding DOT, so I give it, some attention from time to time. But it's not moving much. So, but this is the area that ideally holds to basically set the stage for a rally in Q4. That's the update on DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership options. And also, if you're interested, check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I leave a link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.